Uncover a hidden economy that rewards you. Welcome to a private second economy that runs alongside the one we all live in. But this time, you benefit. No investment, no stock, no staff, no risk. This is a truly passive income opportunity designed for everyday South Africans. Whether you are a retail merchant or a regular shopper, here's the deal. BeeCoinWise is an affiliate program that teams up with CelBux and thousands of merchants you already use. Turn your normal monthly purchases, like food, fuel, and groceries, into additional weekly income. That's right. Just by shopping as you already do, you start earning and do not even lose any of your existing in-store rewards or cashbacks. This is a bonus. Sounds amazing, right? No need to sell anything, no debit orders, no change in your buying habits. For only a 200 Rand once-off registration fee, and you are in for life. No more costs ever. If you want to speed things up, you can refer others. But if you'd rather take the slow lane, the system works for you anyway, thanks to our powerful team structure and community-driven spillover. This works regardless. Don't delay. The sooner you join, the sooner your network starts growing, and the sooner you start earning. Weekly commissions are paid every Friday, and you could receive your first one this week. Think of it like a cashback program, but with a twist. Everyone benefits. Both people you introduce, if any, and people who introduce you will all grow your team over time. As you find this interesting, so do millions of others, including your friends and family. Be part of something bigger. Build income through what you already spend. Start your journey to financial independence. Not in years, but in just a few months. Join today. Waiting won't speed up the future, so reach out to the person who sent you this video for more info.